because you're a criminal lawyer, you've been doing this a long time, you deal with that side of things. Does the presumption of innocence still exist in Australia?
Short answer is it is slowly disappearing. And the problem with that is because everyone is struggling so much of the time, courts are backlogged, prosecutors are running on skeleton staff, solicitors are juggling a million and one different things. Matters get into a bit of a holding pattern in court. And then because of that as well, with the courts being so backlogged, there is this push at the moment that courts want to just clear matters. So the presumption at the moment is, I would say, slowly eroding.
It's a scary thing because it's criminal law is the front facing of you, between you and the government, when they point their finger at you.
And to give you a perfect example, I'm dealing with a client now in custody on this exact same issue of a dispute that rests on a factual dispute. So it's his word against someone else's word. Not really much more in terms of evidence-wise. And he's been remanded and he's sitting in custody and he's been there for about 2 months. Now, whether he's guilty or not, is yet to be determined. But he's sitting.
No, but that's presumption of guilt, isn't it?
And I guess the answer is whether you're guilty or not, whether you did it or not, whatever the situation is, I think it's the responsibility of the prosecutor and the state to prove a case, not up to someone to defend themselves. The prosecutor has to prove it. It's their job to establish anything. And I think if we start thinking like that, that's when the presumption of innocence comes back into the equation.